Ever wondered how to drive a car? Driving is a skill that, while complex, can be broken down into manageable steps. Picture the scene. You're sitting behind the wheel, ready to venture onto the open road. First things first, get comfortable with the vehicle. Adjust your seat for easy access to all controls and mirrors for optimal visibility. The more familiar you are with your vehicle, the more confident you'll be on the road. Safety, as always, comes first. Buckle up your seatbelt and ensure your passengers do the same. Before you start the engine, make sure your car is in park if it's an automatic or neutral if it's a manual. Now it's time to start the car. Insert the key into the ignition or use the push-button start if your car has one. For manual cars, remember to press down the clutch as you start the engine. Let's move on to the pedals. In an automatic car, your right foot will control both the gas and brake pedals. In a manual car, your left foot will also be busy with the clutch pedal. Ready to move off? For automatics, shift from P, park, to D, drive. For manuals, press down on the clutch, select first gear, and gradually release the clutch while gently pressing the accelerator. Steering is the next step. Keep both hands on the wheel, usually in a 9 3 inches or 10 2 inches position. Remember, smooth and steady movements are key. Observing traffic rules is crucial for safe driving. Always watch for and obey traffic signs and signals, and check your mirrors frequently to stay aware of your surroundings. When it comes to turning, signal your intentions in advance. Slow down before the turn, steer into it, and gradually accelerate once you've completed the turn. Stopping requires foresight. Anticipate stops by scanning the road ahead and apply the brakes gently but firmly for a soft and controlled stop. Finally, when you reach your destination, choose a safe spot to park, observing all parking rules and restrictions. On inclines, don't forget to use the parking brake. Remember, safety should always be your priority. Never drive under the influence of alcohol or drugs, and always be considerate of other road users. Adapt your driving style to road conditions, weather, and visibility. For detailed instructions, consult your local motor vehicle department's driving manual and seek professional driving instruction. This step-by-step guide is just a start, but with practice and patience, you'll be on the road to becoming a confident driver in no time.